Hi, welcome to Compose It, Fordham's online writing tutorial series. This lesson is on types of arguments. What do professors and writing instructors mean when they say, this essay has no argument? Lacking an argument means that you have not taken a position on the topic you are investigating. What are some types of positions or claims you can make on your topic? There are two overall types of claims. There are theoretical claims, arguing for readers to change their minds or thoughts or perspectives on a topic. There are pragmatic claims, arguing for readers to change their actions, policies, or behaviors. Here's an example of a theoretical claim. Though often thought of as allegories for the creation of the Republic, Charles Brockden Brown's novels are portraits of the human mind just as significantly as they are portraits of political revolution. Here's a pragmatic claim. Charles Brockden Brown's novels should be studied as central rather than marginal texts of the American canon. The first one asked readers to change their minds about the way they view Charles Brockden Brown's novels. The second one calls for scholars to study Brockden Brown's novels in a different way. It's a subtle difference, but analyzing the purpose of your thesis or argument can help you define your position for yourself. And as you develop your essay, try to categorize or pinpoint whether you are asking your readers to change their minds or their actions. And perhaps you're actually asking them to change both their minds and their actions. For example, you may begin with a theoretical claim and then conclude with a pragmatic one, persuading your audience to first change their thinking, which will then in turn change their actions. Consider how we might put this all together. Though often thought of as allegories for the creation of the Republic, Charles Brockden Brown's novels are portraits of the human mind just as significantly as they are portraits of political revolution. In light of Brown's complex depictions of both the human mind and the early American nation, his novels should be studied as central rather than marginal texts of the American canon. Now you have the workings of a basic position on your topic. So what are some more specific kinds of positions you may want to take on your topic? We're going to show you 4 different categories or types of claims. As we go through these 4 types of claims and examples, notice that all of these positions can be debated. Believe it or not, that is how you know you have begun a good argument, when you can envision someone debating with you about it. Envisioning a debate with someone forces you to envision the reasons and evidence that you will use to persuade others to agree with you or take your position. Here's a great exercise to help you get better at writing arguments. As you watch and listen to the next 4 points, think of a counterclaim for each claim. Write it down. See if you can envision the debate. Some types of claims. One is that you can take issue with widely held knowledge or a conventional definition. For example, I argue that Brown's texts reveal his wavering stance on the division between the human spirit and the human body. You could also argue cause and effect, claiming that one event caused another event, or that one event was the effect of a specific cause. For example, the new scientific texts on brain science caused a shift in Brown's depiction of the liberal democratic citizen. 3. You can call for a change in policy or offer a solution to some problem. Brown scholars must begin to study how science shaped Brown's text if we are to fully understand his portrayal of the early Republic. The problem is not fully understanding his portrayal. The solution is studying science. 4th, you can take a position that evaluates a topic. Brown's novels are the most important literary reflection of the early Republic in the canon today.